It's not just a job that comes in and a job that goes out. Once we purchased the place, we needed to be able to do things on a very professional level. It was very evident that we were going to need to have some way to keep track of everything.
With AutoLeap, it's changed so drastically the way I do business nowadays.
We had very much the old school pen, paper kind of accounting system. With AutoLeap, communication became very clear with the customers. You've got documentation of what the job is, what's required, what the costs are going to be. Well, since we've been using AutoLeap, we've had absolutely zero complaints from customers. The number of customers we've been able to service since implementing AutoLeap has gone up 57%. The efficiencies that it's given us has actually increased our sales more than 4 times. With AutoLeap, our margins have increased by approximately 35%. The average dollar amount of our repair orders has increased by just over 135% since implementing AutoLeap.
The biggest part of the app that makes the best impact on my business is the usability on my customer side. The workboard for me has created just a plethora of utilities and know by just a couple of clicks everything that's going on with every invoice and every car in my shop. The fact that they can be able to interact with the invoice and directly chat with me through the app has made everything much easier for me and my customers.
The main way I use AutoLeap is through parts ordering, especially Parts Tech. Parts Tech tells you exactly who has what and what the best cost is, and so it makes it really easy to just hit a button and next thing you know the part shows up. Since using AutoLeap with what we do, the biggest change we seem to notice is how easy it is to figure out an estimate for a vehicle. We can really tell if a car is going to be profitable for our business.
With AutoLeap, it's allowed us to not only understand aspects of our business, but control the aspects of our business.
What I was most impressed with is the interaction with the team at AutoLeap.
It's been one of the better experiences in my career.
They have been with me through every step of the way. Every problem that I've had, they've tackled and then called back to confirm that everything was okay. Even when they have a new feature in the app, they take the time to call me and let me know and walk me through the new feature.
You know, a lot of shops think that they don't have the time to learn new software or the extra money to put into a software, but trust me, if you take the time to learn it, then not only will you have plenty more money to more than pay for it and make more margin, but you'll also have more time to put into your business and your family. Now that we have AutoLeap, we're not just a mom and pop operation anymore.
You can't afford not to have